Hello planet Earth and welcome. It is the 8th of October today and we have, as my dad reminded me today, a palindrome in effect. Today's date is 8102018. Palindrome. I hope everyone had a good weekend. I saw this hilarious meme about taking selfies about you and looking yourself and looking like the moon. I tried it. I'm not sure I look much like the moon here. I had to have more depth in the toilet roll, I think. So I'll continue, and if I get a better take of me as the moon, I will let you know. This weekend I got my international driver's license, so I really want to drive to more observatories and things and see more, do more telescope work and observations, so that's going to be helpful. Your space weather for today. Welcome home to cosmonauts Drew Fustel, Ricky Arnold and Oleg Artemyev. They had a 197-day mission and orbited the Earth 3,152 times. During their time in space, they conducted hundreds of experiments, kept it all operational up there. They had about 5 cargo deliveries into space. So very successful mission. They landed in Kazakhstan and yeah, welcome home. For more than a decade, the Cassini project has given us some incredible insight into Saturn and its rings and its moons. After 20 years in space, 13 of those exploring Saturn, Cassini exhausted its fuel supply and on its final mission did some incredible dives between Saturn and its rings after finally sending back all its data and diving into Saturn's atmosphere. It did these final dives and about 1 year ago finally died in Saturn's atmosphere. Unlike any other planet with a magnetic field in our solar system, Saturn's magnetic field is almost completely aligned with its spin axis. And that goes against what physicists know about everything about magnetic fields. It literally goes against everything they know about magnetic fields. According to everything that physicists know about how magnetic fields, planetary magnetic fields are generated, Saturn shouldn't have one. The Cassini project, a year later, the science and the data and everything, it just keeps rolling in. So thank you, Cassini. You have exhausted yourself somewhere there on Saturn in the atmosphere, and but we're still very happy. Thank you. The Draconid meteor shower 2018. Every year around 2018, October 8th, the Draconid meteor shower is on display. Today is October 8th, so I'm going to actually just give you a guide on where to see, what to see, and I'll also post something on Instagram reminding people. If you'd like to comment about this and if you've seen any, please do so in the comment section. I'd really love to hear your findings. The shower will be at its peak October 8th today into tonight into October 9th morning tomorrow. One can usually just see a few meteors per hour, but in 1933 in Europe they were seeing about 500 per hour. So if 2018 is anything like 1933, Draconids occur when Earth goes through debris shed eons ago by comet 21P Giacobini-Zinner. This happens as Earth passes just inside of the comet's orbit, just as the comet has passed, and so Earth gets showered. Earth isn't passing that close to its orbit this year. NASA predicts that we'd see about 5 or 6 meteors per hour, which is still a lot of meteors, more than you normally see per hour in your life. Meteor showers are best viewed in the early morning hours, but this year they predict that we would see good amount of showers in the early evening hours. So try to get out early evening after work. That's all for today, Planet Earth. I hope you have a wonderful day on Earth, and I will see you tomorrow.